Hey everyone! Today we're taking a trip to Italy, a place known for its beauty, sunshine and amazing desserts. Get ready to make a classic Italian treat, tiramisu. This yummy dessert has layers of coffee-soaked cookies and creamy mascarpone cheese. It's so good you'll want to relax and enjoy every bite. Don't worry, making tiramisu is super easy with my recipe. You'll be enjoying this delicious dessert in no time. Tiramisu, which means pick me up in Italian, was first made in the 1960s. People all over the world loved it. The best part about tiramisu is that it's simple to make and the flavors are amazing. The coffee and mascarpone cheese taste perfect together, and there's a hint of cocoa too. Are you ready to make this delicious dessert with me? Let's grab our ingredients and make some Italian delight. Before we start making our tiramisu, let's gather our ingredients. Don't worry, they're easy to find. Here's what we need. Ladyfingers, special cookies for tiramisu. About 24 cookies. Strong coffee, 1 cup, let it cool down after brewing. Sugar, ½ a cup plus 2 tablespoons for the coffee. Mascarpone cheese, 1 pound, let it sit at room temperature so it's easy to mix. Eggs, 4 large ones. Cocoa powder for sprinkling on top. A pinch of salt, just a little bit. Remember, using good ingredients makes your tiramisu taste even better. So, buy the best mascarpone cheese and use freshly brewed coffee if you can. Now that we have everything, let's make the creamy mascarpone filling. The secret to an amazing tiramisu is the creamy mascarpone filling. We're going to mix simple ingredients to make something really special. Let's get started. First, separate the yellow part of the eggs, yolks, from the white part, whites. Be careful not to break the yolks. Put the yolks in a big bowl with ½ a cup of sugar. Now, whisk, whisk, whisk. We want the mixture to be light and fluffy. It should look like ribbons when you lift the whisk. This will take a few minutes, but it's worth it. Once the yolk mixture is fluffy, gently add the mascarpone cheese. Use a spoon and mix slowly. We want to keep the mixture airy, so don't mix too fast. Now, in another bowl, whisk the egg whites with a pinch of salt until they're stiff and pointy. This makes the filling light and fluffy. The whites should be shiny and hold their shape. Gently add the whipped egg whites to the mascarpone mixture a little at a time. Mix slowly until everything is combined. Our mascarpone cream is ready. Now comes the fun part, building our tiramisu. We're going to make layers with all our delicious ingredients. First, mix the cooled coffee with 2 tablespoons of sugar in a shallow dish. Quickly dip each ladyfinger into the coffee mixture. Don't soak them too long. We don't want soggy cookies. The ladyfingers should be lightly coated with coffee. Arrange half of the dipped ladyfingers in the bottom of your dish. I like to use a glass dish so you can see all the pretty layers. Now spread half of the mascarpone cream over the ladyfingers, making sure it's nice and even. Repeat with another layer of dipped ladyfingers and the rest of the mascarpone cream. Finally, sprinkle cocoa powder all over the top. This makes it look fancy and adds a little bitterness that tastes great with the sweet cream.